Hi guys, it's Ed, welcome back to the channel. The Russian soldiers are still reeling from the shock of the immense losses they suffered after capturing Avdiivka. Despite the Russian army's entry into the town, corpses litter the streets, serving as a grim reminder of the fierce resistance they encountered. Meanwhile, back in Russia the situation remained unchanged. In a country where some boast about the aesthetics of the metro system, special police forces are knocking on doors for merely mentioning Navalny.
The use of the Ukrainian-made RPG-16 jet flamethrower by the Ukrainian military. The Russian occupiers walk down the street and count their eliminated comrades. More than 30 corpses in this area alone. We don't have translation for this, but you'll get the picture. This video shows the price the Russians paid to occupy the Avdiivka.
Это шок лежит. Хохлы пидорасы даже оружие позабирали. Это шок. Два гранатометных огнеметчика. Я не знаю, кто, вообще не пойму. Это на Жору похож. Нет, вот огнеметчик. Птичка, сука. Спрятаться негде. Вот это огнеметчик лежит. Я угадал. Вот Жора. Вот Жора. Это... Я не пойму, кто это. Тут завален дом, походу тут еще под ним.
П и В.
А он то кто?
Фил, что ли?
Фил нет, Фил на, он 300-й Фил.
Это еще один огнеметчик. Это не огнеметчик. Нет?
Нет. Огнеметчик один вон я видел.
Значит не наш.
Второго вот это вот угадать не могу, прям около Бэхи которого.
Это второй огнеметчик.
Лысенький. А, да, точно.
Episode from the withdrawal from Avdiivka by Ukrainian warriors of the 110th Brigade. As is clear from the footage, even smaller units were managed and supported by the command via radio comms.
Я пішов і біжу, кричу: Вітя, Вася, Вітя, Вася. Ну, відповідь. Да, помаленьку можна. Вроді тихо. Да. Звук такий, да, уй. Все. Ну що, дядьки, знайшли чи йдемо? Да. Да. Все, роби як я. Давай. Раз. Давай, братан, давай. Та йдемо помаленьку, пиздують трохи. Танчик. Йо. Та понятно, що наш. А, то Бредлі. Щось, блядь, не то удуван, йобаний насос. А? Вона десь так в цій стороні, блядь. Давай, братан, давай. Вийдемо. Ще вийдемо. Господи, допоможи. Господи. Господи.
These are special forces breaking down the door of a Russian citizen who wrote, "Putin killed Navalny" on social media. Russia is so nice place to live in.
Открывай дверь!
What happens at the Polish-Ukrainian border these days? It's a MiG-29 fighter. The former reconnaissance Su-24MR of the Armed Forces of Ukraine, now modernized for the use of Western cruise missiles Strom Shadow and Scalp EG. Lavrov went on a Latin American tour, but was denied kerosene fueling at Rio de Janeiro Airport, according to Aero Telegraph. Rio de Janeiro Airport service operator Vibra Energia cited the prospect of U.S. sanctions prohibiting the supply of Russian government aircraft. As a result, Lavrov's flight to Brasilia, where he planned to meet with the country's president, Luiz Inácio da Silva, was jeopardized. As a result, Lavrov had to fly to the Brazilian capital as a traveling companion on the plane of Foreign Minister Mauro Vieira.
Thank you guys for watching. Warthog Defense is reporting about Ukraine, and for the Russian losses in Avdiivka, they are just unsustainable in a long term, so we are keeping an eye on this matter. Stay with Warthog Defense, comment, like, subscribe, become our member, and stay strong.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.